Ever wondered how to make money online without any investment? It's not a myth, it's a reality that many are living today. Yes, you heard it right. The online world is teeming with opportunities that don't require you to put down a dime, just your time, skills, and a dash of dedication. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that making money online is a far-fetched dream, only achievable by the lucky few or those with deep pockets. But that's far from the truth. The real investment in online earning isn't financial, it's personal. It's about honing your skills, investing your time wisely, and committing yourself to the process. From freelance writing and graphic design to tutoring and social media management, there's a vast array of avenues to explore, each with its own potential for success. So are you ready to explore this world of opportunities? Let's dive right in. The first step is understanding the process. It's not magic, it's a systematic approach that requires dedication. Online earning isn't about getting rich quick. It's about laying a solid foundation, brick by brick. Let's break it down. First, you need to identify your skills. What can you do that others might pay for? This could be anything from graphic design, writing, programming, to teaching a language or a musical instrument. Next, you have to find the right platforms. There are plenty out there, such as freelance websites, online marketplaces, and even social media. Then it's time to build your portfolio. Showcase your best work, your most impressive achievements. This is your chance to shine, to show potential clients what you're capable of. Finally, consistency is key. You can't expect success overnight. It takes time, effort, and perseverance. You have to keep honing your skills, keep delivering quality work, and above all, keep believing in yourself. Remember, the key is to start with what you have and build on it. What are you good at? Your skills are your assets in the online world. Everyone possesses a unique set of skills, and the beauty of the online world is that there's a demand for just about everything. Are you a wordsmith? There's a whole realm of content creation, copywriting, and blogging waiting for you. Maybe you have an eye for aesthetics. Graphic design could be your forte, or perhaps you're a whiz with code. The digital world is your playground. But it's not just about tech skills. If you're a great communicator, consider online teaching or coaching. If you're a pro at organizing things, virtual assistants might be your calling, and the list goes on. The key is to identify what you're good at and enjoy doing, then work on refining these skills. Remember, the more proficient you are, the higher your earning potential. Your skills are your ticket to online earning. Identify them, polish them, and put them to use. The next step is finding the right platforms. There's a sea of opportunities out there, you just need to find your niche. Let's dive in, shall we? If you're a master of words, content creation platforms are your playground. Websites like Medium or WordPress are great places to start. Are you more into design or programming? Freelance websites like Upwork or Fiverr could be your ticket to success, but what if your skill is sharing knowledge? Online tutoring platforms such as Coursera or Udemy are waiting for you. Remember, each platform has its own vibe, its own community. It's important to research and understand these communities to best market your skills. And don't worry if you don't find the perfect platform right away. It's okay to try out different places until you find your fit. After all, the journey to success is not a straight line. Finding the right platform is like finding the right market for your product. Once you find it, half the battle is won. Half the battle is. So you've identified your skills, found the right platform. What's next? Consistency. Yes, consistency. It's not just about landing that first job or project, it's about delivering quality work every single time. It's what builds your reputation in the online community, and reputation is everything. It's your brand, your calling card. It's what gets you regular work and helps you increase your earnings over time. Consistency is about showing up even when you're not in the mood. It's about meeting deadlines, keeping your word, and exceeding expectations. It's about continuously learning and improving your skills. It's about standing out in a sea of competitors. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. Because consistency breeds trust, and trust is the currency of the online world. So keep delivering, keep improving, keep shining. Remember, consistency is the key to success in the online world. Keep going, keep growing,